Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. Do you like to fry foods? Well, I do, and most of you guys do too. But we have an issue. There's leftover residue in your skillet when you get done frying. I mean, you really don't want to throw that oil away. But did you know that you can clean the oil and reuse it? I'll show you how. 2 ingredients is all it takes to do it. Cornstarch. Put 2 or 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. That's, for a couple of cups of oil. Maybe a half cup or so of water. Just stir it up. And I did turn that on to reheat it, so it works better if you start it from warm oil rather than cold oil. You just have to be careful when you're pouring, guys. You've always heard water and oil don't mix. Well, we're going to mix it. Okay. Here we go. Now pour this slowly. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, where it has the cornstarch in it, it's not bubbling up like it normally does if you add, say, something frozen that's got the ice crystals in it. This right here, it's going to form a gel. And it's going to bind together, and as you can see, it's already getting the residue where we fried that chicken. It's going to pull all of that into this little jelly glob, for lack of better terminology. And we're just going to let it fry until it starts getting pretty brown. I mean, this is early on right here. I just wanted to show you that it's already starting to work on that. It really doesn't take that long. Just a few minutes. We're just going to let it sit there and simmer. And we'll see exactly how long that it does take to get all these chicken pieces out. As you can see, this has absorbed almost every piece of that chicken that was in there. And the oil looks fresh and clean. So, let's turn my heat off. I've kept it on about 3. It just sticks together, guys. Comes out in a big jelly piece. I mean, you could let it go longer if you wanted to. It really doesn't matter. All in all, that was in there before we turned the camera back on for 4 minutes. Like I say, you could let it go a little bit longer if you wanted to. Just for the sake of a couple of things that could possibly be floating that are on the bottom, I'm just going to pour this to a new pan. Not bad, guys. It's not 100% perfect science. It's real life. But this right here is a whole lot less of anything than what it was before. I don't know about you, but I would definitely reuse this oil. I really would. So let me know, have you ever tried this? Have you had success with it? Or if you haven't tried it, how soon will you be trying it? This saves a lot of money by not having to throw the oil away. I hope you like this information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on that next video.